al futuro sónico, donde la música se fusiona con la tecnología en una sinfonía electrónica. Desde los confines del ciberespacio emerge un ser de circuitos y códigos, programado para desencadenar ondas de frecuencias vanguardistas. Sus manos digitales manipulan los ritmos como hilos de código, tejiendo una trama de sonidos futuristas que transportarán tu mente a dimensiones desconocidas. Y ahora, la descarga de sonidos está por comenzar.
Addict Sound Radio Show.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
Oh, won't you stay for a while? I'll take you on a ride if you can keep a secret. Oh, won't you stay for a while? Show me darkness, baby, show me deepest. Oh, won't you stay for a while? I'll take you on a ride if you can keep a secret. Oh, won't you stay for a while? Show me darkness, baby, show me deepest.
Addict Sound
Radio Show. Stay a while, and I will make it worth your while. Stay a while, and I'ma go the extra mile. Boy, if you wait until the lights go down, I got some tricks that have you screaming out. So stay a while, and I'ma make it worth your while.
Oh, won't you stay for a while?
Addict Sound
Radio Show.
Addict Sound
Radio Show.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
Love summer, follow the sun tonight, reminiscing of the times of life. For each every other, the feeling stronger. Shock at 11, got lost in your eyes. I can't do well when I think you're gonna leave me, but I know I tried. Are you gonna leave me now? Can't you be believing now? Be believing now. I can't do well when I think you're gonna leave me, but I know I tried. Are you gonna leave me now? Can't you be believing now?
Radio Show.
Fucking night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. 'Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life, and wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. Don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. You know I'm down for whatever tonight. I don't need the final things in life. No matter where I go, it's a good time. Yeah. And I don't need to sit in VIP. Middle of the floor, that's where I'll be. Don't got a lot, but that's enough for me. Yeah. 'Cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. Don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright. So I just let it go, let it go. Oh na 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 na, no I don't care no more, care no more. Oh na 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 na, so come on, let me know, let me know. Put your hands up, na na na, no baby, nothing's gonna stop us tonight. 'Cause I'm good and I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good? Yeah, I'm feeling alright.
Addict Sound.
Radio Show.
Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you. My arms are wide, catching fire as the wind blows. I know that I'm rich enough for pride. I see $1 billion in your eyes, even if we're strangers till we die. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this place. I wanna run away. Just you and I.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
If I go, you follow me home. Just like a pill, it's going down. Just say the word, I'll take you now. Come get me high, so I won't be low. If I go where you follow me home tonight. You don't have to be alone tonight. If I go where you follow me. If I go where you follow me. If I go where you follow me. Baby, follow me. If I go where you follow me. My name on your lips, sweat on your skin. I wanna love you again and again. Don't make me wait, 'cause I need to know. If I go where you follow me tonight. You don't have to be alone tonight. If I go where you follow me. If I go where you follow me. Baby, follow me. If I go where you follow me. If I go where you follow me. Addict Sound
Radio show.
Sometimes it feels like my life's a battle, and I think I'm losing my mind when all that surrounds me is made of shadows. Oh, I'm just a lost soul that's made of paper, but your touch can color the white and bring back the beauty into my life. 'Cause it's a mad world, but it's crazy, crazy how you make the bad turn so amazing. And I don't wanna lose this now. I don't wanna lose this now. No, I don't wanna lose this now. 'Cause it's a mad world.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
Crashing through the sky, alright. I'm screaming to the stars, collide. I'm telling everybody, that's right. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight. Taking back the way we are, 'cause that's just the way we are. I'm crashing through the door, well alright. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight.
Radio show.
Light it up! Addict Sound
Radio show.
Our thoughts are silent, transparent. Only we can hear them, only we can hear them. I wanna break the rules with you, and they don't need to know about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us, about us, about. They don't need to know about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us, about us. The other side of something new. I'm gonna give my all to you. Our thoughts are silent, transparent. Only we can hear them, only we can hear them. The other side of something new. And they don't need to know about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us, about you, about me, about us,
Addict Sound
Radio Show.
something beneath it. Forgive me for staring, forgive me for breathing. We might not know why, we might not know how, but baby tonight, we're beautiful now, we're beautiful now. We might not know why, we might not know how, but baby tonight, we're beautiful now. We'll light up the sky, we'll open the clouds, 'cause baby tonight, we're beautiful now, we're beautiful. We're beautiful.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
Wherever it's going, I'm gonna chase it. What's left of this moment, I'm not gonna waste it. Stranded together, our worlds have collided. This won't be forever, so I try to fight it. We're beautiful now. We're beautiful now. We might not know why, we might not know how, but baby tonight, we're beautiful now. We'll light up the sky, we'll open the clouds, 'cause baby tonight, we're beautiful now, we're beautiful. We're beautiful. Let's live tonight like fireflies, and one by one, light up the sky. We disappear and pass the crown. You're beautiful, you're beautiful. Beautiful. We're beautiful.
Addict Sound
Radio Show.
A million volts in a pool of light, electricity in the room tonight, born from fire, sparks flying from the sun. I hardly know you, can I confess? I feel your heart beating in my chest. If you come with me, tonight is gonna be the one. 'Cause you faith, no fear for the fight. You pull hope from defeat in the night. There's an image of you in my mind. Could be mad, but you might just be right. We are the people we've been waiting for. Out of the ruins of hate and war, army of lovers never seen before. We are the people we've been waiting for. broken bells and a broken church. Heart that hurts is a heart that works. From a broken place, that's where the victory's won. Cause you fail, no fear for the fight. You pull hope from defeat in the night. There's an image of you in my mind. Could be mad, but you might just be right. We are the people we've been waiting for. Out of the ruins of hate and war, army of lovers never seen before. We are the people we've been waiting for. We are the people of the open hand. The streets of Dublin to Amsterdam. We'll build it better than we did before. We are the people we've been waiting for. 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 We are the people of the open hand. The streets of Dublin to Amsterdam. We'll build it better than we did before. We are the people we've been waiting for.
Quite an understatement to say we got lost. You went beyond breaking, but I wore cost. Every word was a lie tonight, love. Now I believe in the miracle. I'm staring at a barrel of a going tonight. Oh.
Addict Sound
Radio show.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.
Summer nights, all aligned, as we drown in the moonlight. We collide in plain sight. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. And we come alive, we run the night with strangers, 'cause in the end we're all familiar faces. We young and wild, enjoy the ride, we made it. We made it. I don't need no sleep, 'cause I'm already dreaming, already dreaming. Say you'll never leave, because I love the feeling, I love the feeling. Find myself a wicked night, see you through my lucid eyes. Oh, I don't need no sleep, 'cause I'm already dreaming, already dreaming. Wide awake, no time to waste. Make a mark on my timeline. We're safe and sound, we come around. We are dancing the sundown. And we come alive, we run the night with strangers, 'cause in the end we're all familiar faces. We young and wild, enjoy the ride, we made it. We made it. I don't need no sleep, 'cause I'm already dreaming, already dreaming. Say you'll never leave, because I love the feeling, I love the feeling. Find myself a wicked night, see you through my lucid eyes. Oh, I don't need no sleep, 'cause I'm already dreaming, already dreaming.
Addict Sound
Radio Show.
Out of love, out of touch, but I feel coming back to me, back to me.
Addict Sound Radio Show con Franklin Valencia.